How to deal with water leakage in the cabin of your Lexus. The cabin of your Lexus model is designed to be both comfortable and safe. The seats are firm and supportive, and the controls are all within easy reach, provided they are working properly and not wet. Safety is also a priority in the cabin design, which is equipped with an array of airbags, and the seat belts are adjustable. The safety features can be ruined by water damage, not to mention navigation, radio, driver's assist features, and more. Types of water damage. If the water is allowed to sit, it can cause mold and mildew to grow, which can damage the car's interior. In addition, water can damage electronics, such as the car's stereo system or navigation system. If the water is allowed to enter the car's cabin through an open window or door, it can also cause rusting and corrosion. Damage to upholstery. When water enters a car's cabin, it can cause damage to the seats and upholstery. The water can seep into the fabric, leading to stains and discoloration. In some cases, the water can also cause the fabric to swell, making the seats uncomfortable to sit on. To avoid water damage to your car's interior, be sure to keep the cabin dry and free of standing water. Damage to electronics. Even a small amount of water can short out electrical components, and the resulting repairs can be expensive. Water can enter the cabin through leaks in the roof or windows, or it can be introduced by passengers who spill drinks inside. Condensation from the air conditioning system can also cause water damage to the cabin electronics. To avoid these problems, it is important to regularly check for leaks and to ensure that the cabin is properly ventilated. Avoided flooded streets. Flood water can pose a serious threat to your Lexus, and it is important to take measures to avoid driving through flood water if possible. Water can damage your car's engine, electrical system, and interior, and it can also cause you to lose control of your car. If you must drive through flooded streets, try to gauge the depth of the water before driving through it. Make sure to drive slowly and carefully, and use a higher gear than usual to avoid stalling. Automotive will repair water damage. If you need assistance with water damage in the cabin of your Lexus, Automotive is here for you. We provide affordable repairs for our clients in Canoga Park, Woodland Hills, San Fernando Valley, and Los Angeles, California. Give us a call today, as we are here to assist you with your Lexus repairs and service.